Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss LT, powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, blacked out bow tie in the center as well, column shifter, push button ignition. We have the nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated agility braking system and USB ports. Vehicle has dual glove boxes as well, power windows all around, and our heated passenger seat up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have these 18-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels all blacked out with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires, color matched door handle with keyless entry on the front driver's door, Z71 badging. The Trail Boss comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, larger stance giving you more room for bigger wheels and tires, as well as ground clearance. At the front you have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, as well as the red tow hooks on the Trail Boss, Z71 grille, blacked out bow tie, and 6.2 liter on the hood. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, Trail Boss decal. We have our color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, as well as a backup camera. Jumping into the interior, second row, a cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. Solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with the solid roof and LED lighting. There is dual USB ports as well in the back of the center console for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet LT Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.